Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Land Cruiser 100 series, and this one is 2002 late 2002 model, which actually has the facelift for the half generation of the 100 series between 2002 and 2006 years. So the car come with the standard radio before, and at this moment it already been fit with the new full premium 9-inch setup, which fit in perfectly every single millimeter and every edge. So it looks perfect on the screen and on the dash, like factory fit and full 9-inch premium one. Why premium? Because it has so much thing of premium one: wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto on the screen here, and it has Wi-Fi internet, it has 4G SIM card internet, it has very strong hardware system inside, runs so smooth and very easy, and also it has built-in almost everything you want to know about internet thing. And it certainly come with our very usual you know Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, which easily turn on when you flick the gear and it will show up the screen. Yep, that's what you see. And so basically it works very simple and easy, and yep, that's all we do now in system 100 series and 2002. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.